Examples of spinning tops having less significance when found during sideways ranges. This large red candle would be of less significance if found in such sideways to neutral ranges. However, in this case, it is in a bullish context, especially when combined with the following candle to create one larger candle with a long lower wick to form the upswing point. The 49 to 50 area is a clear resistance range. It also has increased significance, having influenced the market in the past. These two spinning tops would be of less significance, similar to the ones found earlier. However, they appear in a directional context here as part of an evening star formation. These red candles in the purple areas are in a slightly directional context as they confirm the development of the early downtrend. This is not a morning star, though it has the general outline of the same price action, and the red candle would be a spinning top of less significance. However, when all three of these are combined, they effectively form lower wick rejection with the red spinning top for a more bullish context, as this early uptrend begins from the heavily overlapping kicking pattern. The 49 to 50 range continues to have influence in the market, even though it's not able to reverse the developing uptrend. It manages to significantly slow it down even during this steep incline. A similar situation in a bearish context, as the same range offers support to a rapidly declining market. It is a strong trend that manages to breach this significant range. However, once again, the trend is slowed down, and when it is slowed down, there are often indecisive periods of price action. Naturally, there will be spinning tops and dojis at these indecisive areas. Thus, spinning tops will be a common sight during periods where the market slows down for flatter price action at significant ranges. Spinning tops also occur in more directional context when they are found during strong continuations, particularly during the successful breach of significant ranges. In this example, there are heavily bearish spinning tops when the market is able to continue to close under this major 49 to 50 range. Except in these cases, they wouldn't just be spinning tops, they would be part of some three black crows patterns.